every once in a while I'll go through these, I'll get these weird comments from people, um, these spurts of strange comments where I'll have very similar comments being bombarded on my channel. And the ones that I've been getting in the last couple of days have been about how people think yoga is evil and stretching the body is evil. That's basically what you're saying if you're going to try to tell me that stretching the body, or yoga, is evil. Excuse me. People seem to think it's usually people who are very religious. They tend to buy into this ideology where yoga is some type of satanic, evil kind of physical ritual. Since when is stretching your body and relieving some tension in your muscles and improving your flexibility, your muscle strength, and tonifying your muscle definition in your internal organs, since when is that evil? It's amazing the type of things people buy into, and it's amazing the type of things that people allow their religious beliefs to, just manipulate and warp their minds. That's like saying that running's evil because it stretches the legs in your calves and works your abs. That's like saying that playing baseball is evil because when you swing the bat, it works your forearms and your biceps. People don't really know how to think anymore to a large extent. This religious madness, I'm not going to get into it, you guys. I'm not bashing people per se who are religious, no. I'm just saying that when you allow a certain religious belief, certain religious beliefs and ideologies to warp your mind to the extent where you think that stretching your body is of the devil or this and that, there's some problems there, ladies and gentlemen. Belief can be a very dangerous thing because belief can set up walls in your ability to freely think and use your own personal discernment. So I'm saying that certain beliefs can be, again, very dangerous because, again, certain ways of thinking can actually build walls around your ability to learn certain truths. I wanted to personally thank you for watching my videos and contributing to the growth of my channel. I could not do this without you, and your interest in my content is truly what motivates me and fuels my passion for making these videos and spreading my message. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to remind you that this channel is a free educational tool that is listener supported, and if you would like to donate to my channel and donate to my cause, help make my life a little bit easier and help keep the lights on around here, you can do so by checking out the links in the description box below. There's a handful of not only ways to donate to my channel, but I also have links to different websites and different videos of mine, as well as my Amazon store, where you can check out a plethora of different health-related products that I use and recommend. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your continued interest in my message, and until next time, peace be with you all.